What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another insightful video here on what is happening in crypto. So Bitcoin, we've seen Bitcoin sell off in the last couple of weeks, in the last couple of days. Everyone is asking, lots of people on social media are wondering what is going on with Bitcoin, what is going on for crypto. Is this the end of the road? Is this the end of the bull cycle? In this video, I'm going to present to you where I think Bitcoin is going next, if we are going to get a recovery in the coming days and weeks ahead. So without much ado, I will go straight to the charts and show you where I think Bitcoin is going. So here I have the chart of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the number one trading cryptocurrency, right? And so far we've seen that Bitcoin has been selling off. So it has sold off a lot. So if you look at, let me get my measurement tool here. Let me get my measurement tool from the highs to this area. Look left, Bitcoin has sold off by approximately 30%, right? Since its all-time highs. Okay. So right now, where is Bitcoin going? That's the $1 million question. Okay. So first off, Bitcoin broke below this. This is the weekly time frame. It broke below the weekly, the 50-week simple moving average, which is a significant one because anytime it broke below that, it has always triggered a bear market for Bitcoin. In any time it broke below that, we got a significant sell-off. But I think that that's not the end of the cycle. So I looked for the next area where Bitcoin can bounce. Okay, so let's go back and look at this. So here, this was the 2021 bear market. Bitcoin sold off, and then 2022, and then this was the beginning of its rally in the bull market, the current bull market, right? And where did it start? It started here in 2023 October. And then we got that rally that took Bitcoin to its all-time highs at what? At 120, where is it? Is that 125 or 126,000? And then it declined from there once it hit the mother of all trend lines. Okay, so right now, if you draw a trend line from here, from the beginning of the bull market, the trend, that's why it's called a trend line. Okay, so the most important trend line now, support trend line now for Bitcoin is this yellow one and then the red one. Okay, so if you extrapolate, you move it from here, it touches here, the beginning of the bull market, 2024 August, over here September, and then here in March 2025, and then here we are now here. Okay, and then below it there was a break here. It pierced through this in August 2024 and then September 2024. If you connect it, you are going to get this sweet spot between the yellow and red line, right? That's what I call a demand zone, right? In technical analysis, that's called a demand zone. So it's a sweet spot in between the two levels where I expect buyers to step in. So let's look at the daily chart to see, did buyers step in there? They did, right? So you got buyers stepped in, the bulls stepped in here to buy back Bitcoin. So what I see here is that as long as we don't break below this red line, you see this red line here, Bitcoin is going to recover and is going to rally to the upside, right? So that's why I see Bitcoin going. So this year, I believe that with this, we are going to get a rally to the upside in Bitcoin that's going to lift other cryptocurrencies up. And let's check out Ethereum. So Ethereum is this Ethereum here. So Ethereum is number 2 cryptocurrency. It has broken below this parallel channel and it's trading here. So what Ethereum needs to do, that it needs to remount this parallel channel and go back up, and that's going to come with Bitcoin's recovery. If Bitcoin recovers, Ethereum will go up as well. Okay, so now that we know what is happening with Bitcoin, let's look at what Bitcoin related stocks are doing. So let's check MicroStrategy, right? So MicroStrategy, if you look at this broke out of, this was the beginning of the bull market break and then the all-time high. So basically what MicroStrategy has done is that this is a break of the critical level and retest. So break and retest in what I call retrace to the scene of the crime. So if Bitcoin is to recover, I believe that MicroStrategy is supposed to recover here in this zone. So this zone is a zone that I call a demand zone, right? Demand zone. So this demand zone goes from here to there. So I'll put it in green, showing you that this is an area where I expect to see buyers step in. And anywhere here, I expect MicroStrategy to bounce and go up. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at here for MicroStrategy, and I'm looking to I'll start nimbling in here MicroStrategy from the coming week if we get that recovery to the upside. Okay, all right. So I hope this was insightful. I will see you in the next video. All is not lost yet for my crypto funds. Bitcoin will be back, and I believe that if it recovers, we are going to make new all-time high. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.